holding the computer in place. This is our tape. Okay. Okay, now let's put it down. Okay. See this place? Okay, first we're gonna try to get color brown. I'm gonna open this color. You cannot see it. Can you put light there? Okay, please. Oh, put light. It's color brown. Okay, then put light. Oh, hello. My name is Amanda, and Kaitan is in the back putting in the light. So if you didn't hear me at the start, I'm sorry. So this is color brown we need this for. Okay, now we're gonna have some cookies. So we're gonna make 3 cookies. Okay. Here. So come.
You didn't have to other things.
Look. Okay, now we're making cookies with this one like flour. Now just press it. Good. Now let's put it in our plate. Stop holding that. Sabana, don't mix. Sabana, don't mix. Okay, okay, now
she can get her own plate.
She can run with now. I don't think. Now let's just make 3 of them. So we have that. It's gonna have 3. Okay. Now we're gonna make some cream for them to put here. Then you can dip them. Move there far. Okay. Now let's make a cream. This one right here that is better. This one. This one right here. Okay. Now just take it out. The white plate looks like this. Then a cream for us to dip. Now let's have some milk. You just say something old like this. It's spread like that. Just and cut and open. Water in. Then we're gonna put some ketchup. Mama, let's go to the
You're gonna have ketchup.
how about strawberry sauce? Okay. Press it in this. And let it go. Okay, now we have cream. Now just put the strawberry sauce there. Then we'll add a little cake. The cake is color white. And you can add comments if you like this video or not. So I'm Nico. I'm 6 years old. And Kaytan says Kaytan is fat because he wants to be fat. She's payat. Wait, I'm just joking. Kaytan, aren't you going to make this video?
Look, she's talking to herself. See?
No,
She's talking to herself.
I'm
She's not
talking to her.
doing like that. And I didn't listen because I didn't know.
You're talking to yourself.
Okay, now say hep hep. Very good. Say hooray. Okay, now together. Hep hep. Hooray. Hep hep. Hooray. Hep hep. Hooray. Okay, Samantha gonna cook now. And now you know how to make a nail, a beautiful nail like this.
Kaytan, can you touch the computer? It's starting to get dark now.
Didn't you know it's not a real? Didn't you know it is not a real clay? It's just a food clay, but you can make it.
It's a clay that you cannot eat. You guys eat it.
Yeah, you can eat it.
You're so lying. But you can joke eat that.
Look, Samantha is very fast now because she eat the clay.
Yeah, I didn't.
Yes, it's true. No, it's just a joke.
I kissed It's in that clay. Okay, here, it's finished now.
Okay, now it's time to do like a no one.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Love you.
Wait. We're gonna have an advertise. Tang 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 tang. A bakery cooking. A bakery cooking. Yeah. A bakery cooking. Yeah. Bakery cooking. Yeah. Bakery cooking. Yeah. Bakery cooking. Yeah. A bakery cooking. Yeah. A bakery cooking. Let's make a cooking. Yeah. Ooh. Let's make a baking, yeah, yeah. Ooh, 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 la. Okay, now I'm very thankful for the Play-Doh. And this, I'm very thankful for all of this, all of my clay.
And that was just a commercial.
Yeah. And da 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 da. Let's have